What's the meaning of bongo drum? Bongo drum. Bongo drum.
Bongo drum. Bongo drum. A bongo drum is a percussion instrument consisting of two small drums of different sizes, typically joined by a wooden or metal rod. The drums are played by striking them with the hands and fingers, producing a distinctive high-pitched, resonant sound. Bongo drums are commonly used in Latin American music, jazz, and other genres, and are often featured in solo performances and improvisations. They are also frequently used in ensembles, alongside other percussion instruments such as congas and timbales. Overall, the bongo drum is an important and versatile component of many musical styles and traditions.